In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers in Trello using our full 2025 guide. Let's dive right in and see how you can personalize your Trello boards with fun and effective visuals. We'll cover each step to ensure you can seamlessly enhance your Trello experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is the homepage for Trello and it's your starting point for all things related to managing your projects and tasks. Once you're here, look for the login button, usually found in the upper right corner, and click it. This part is pretty standard for most web applications, but it's essential to ensure you have access to your workspaces. When you arrive at the login page, you have the option to sign in using either your email or your Google account. For most users, logging in via Google might be quicker, especially if you're already signed into your Google account through the browser. Either way, make sure you enter your credentials securely. After you've successfully logged in, head over to the Boards section. This is where all your Trello boards are housed, making it a straightforward way to access all your ongoing projects. Within this section, you'll want to click on Your Workspaces. This link will help you find the specific board where you plan to add stickers. Now identify and select the board to which you want to add stickers. Click on it to open up your project dashboard, giving you a bird's eye view of all the lists and cards you've been working with. Once you're on the main page of your chosen board, glance towards the upper right corner where you'll see 3 dots. Clicking these dots reveals additional options you can adjust for your board. Among these options you will find stickers. Click on it. This is the heart of the guide today, where you can choose from a variety of stickers to use on your cards. Think of stickers like little visual cues or decorations. They can help highlight important tasks, add a bit of fun to your board, or visually categorize different types of activities. To actually place a sticker on a card, simply click and drag it from the sticker menu onto the card of your choice. It's as easy as drag and drop, making it accessible even if you're not super familiar with Trello's interface. Spend some time experimenting with different stickers and see how they can enhance your board's communication and aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly add stickers to any of your Trello boards, making them not only more visually appealing but also more organized. So go ahead, start customizing and take your Trello boards to the next level.